Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose and aim is improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. Today's important article tribute Aga Khan IV, Imam of the Atomic Age, the legacy of fame, fortune, and goodwill that spread across the subcontinent and Africa. Enlightened leader, the Aga Khan forthright with Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru in New Delhi 1958 and far left at an event in London 2019. Gita Doctors. The Imam is dead. Long live the Imam. With these words, Prince Ali Khan, the man who would have been Imam, embraced his son, the 20-year-old Prince Karim Al Hussein, and solemnly acknowledged his assassination as the spiritual heir and the leader of the Najris Ismails in Versailles near Geneva on July 12, 1957. It was only the second time in the unbroken lineage of the prominent Shia sect that a son had been bypassed. The family traces their descent directly from Prophet Muhammad, and the age Aga Khan is treated as the head of the state. The late Aga Khan III was very clear about his choice. He had written in his will, in every recent year, due to the great change which have taken place, including the discoveries of atomic, I am convinced that it is in the best interest of the Shia Muslim Islamist community that I should be succeeded by a young man who has been brought up and developed during the recent year and in the middle of the new age, and who bring a new outlook on the life of his office as Imam. He also added that the young Prince Karim, who had studied at the Institut Les Roses, an exclusive boarding school for boys near Geneva, with a winter retreat in the ski resort town of Gstaad, would have as an official mentor his grandmother Begum Habib Aga Khan, a Swiss citizen by birth. Prince Karim went to the Harvard complete his study thanks to his grandfather's will. He has held as the Imam of the Atomic Age. He passed away in Lisbon, Portugal on February 4 and was buried at the mausoleum of Aga Khan in Egypt, also a grandfather resting place, a home in Mumbai. The little of the title of Aga Khan was first bestowed upon Hassan Ali Shah 1804-1881, the 46th Imam of the Nizari Ismails, by the Iranian king Fateh al Shah Qadir in the 19th century. Many years later, Hassan Ali relocated to Bombay after spending a larger part of his life in Afghanistan and Sindh in Pakistan. His mausoleum in the Majgaon Dock of Mumbai was once a well-kept place of pilgrimage. It's perhaps due to his uh, patronage that the Islami in the region furnished as a trader and merchant, despite the fact the age Aga Khan revered as the spiritual head of these families. He did not actually rule a country, a province, yet by the time of Aga Khan III, his fame was such that the Golden Jubilee celebration of the accession of the Bombay letter in Nairobi in 1936, the whole world watched in both places. He was publicly weighed in gold donated by the Islamists. Follow the proceeds were apparently used to further the fortunes of the community spread across the subcontinent as well as in East Africa. Islamic traditionally give a tenth or a percentage of their earning to the Imam. He returned their trust by being during the Idul Amin year, when thousands of Ismails faced evacuation from Uganda. Aga Khan IV found a willing friend in then President of Canada Pierre Trudeau. Those government allowed the Ismails to immigrate He returned their trust by being an exceptionally enlightened leader. Not only did he not believe in the wealth or hijab for women, he instead that the girl be given equal education or beautiful authority in good measure. Among us, the many facts of the patronage that marked the age of Aga Khan IV was the creation of the Aga Khan Development Network, described as the largest private development network in the world. One very well known effort was the institution of the Aga Khan Award of Architecture. It celebrates the contemporary design, keeping in mind traditional craft and building practice. The restoration of the Humayun tomb in New Delhi was a part of the initiative. In 2015, Aga Khan IV was bestowed with the Padma Vibhushan. Given the tragedy facing displaced people today, one has also mentioned how during the ideally mean year in Uganda, when thousands of Ismailis face evacuation from the country, Aga Khan IV found a willing Friday in then President of Canada Pierre Trudeau, whose government allowed the Islamists to my immigrants, people from East Africa and Burma, are also said to have been relocated by the Aga Khan initiative. Prince Karim, mindful of his grandfather's injection, proved, proved to be an exemplary imam by the time he died in Portugal at the 88. In the 1969, he married Sarah France Croker Pole, his first wife, who became Begum Salima. Their son Rahim Al Husseini has now become the 15th Imam and Aga Khan 5th. The writer is a Chennai based critic and cultural commentator. So this is today's video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more videos. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet tomorrow. Jai Hind.